So my name is Dr. Chambers, and in this video, I am going to talk to you about how to um, do your video conferencing with your teacher. So when you go into the Instructional Resources Hub, on the main page, you're going to see how to use this site, and then you scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to see Need to Video Conference. Your teachers are available to video conference with you from 8 to 4 while we're out. You can either email them and let them know that you want to schedule a time. You can send them a text to their work phones and let them know that you need to ask them a question, or you can simply click on the link for your teacher and it should notify them that someone is trying to join the room. So let's say you wanted to talk to Mr. Andrade about your math. You're going to go to his name and you're going to click his Meet. And then it's going to come up in another tab and your video will come up if you have it on. If you want to call in on the phone, you can do that. You can click on the button on the right-hand side here that says join and use a phone for audio. You can click that and then click the dial in tab, and then it's going to tell you what number to dial in on your phone, and then the PIN code that you need to use plus the hashtag or #. So that's how you call in on the phone. If you don't have a video, you can still click the video link and get to the phone information. But let's say you want to talk via video. Cool. So your video is up. They can see you. This is how you turn off your microphone. If I press this button, it will turn red and a line will go through it. And then you can't hear what I'm saying. And then if you press this button, my video will go away. Okay, and then you can still hear, but the camera won't be on. So you really decide what you want to do with that. Then over here, you've got some other options. You can turn on captions if you need to be able to read what's going on, but there's going to be a delay because it has to figure out what you're saying. And then if you have any other settings that you want to change, your microphone or your speakers and the video, if you want to make it not high definition but standard, you can do any of those things. And then when you're ready to enter the chat with your teacher, you will click the green Join Now button. When you click that button, you're going to go in, and now you're on the big screen, but I'm the only person in the room. You'll see who's in the room here, right? And then if you want to present something, you click this button, will present now, and then it will present your screen. You probably won't need that button, but it's there for you to know. If you end up needing to text, you can do a chat message to your teacher and then press this little button to send the message. And then when you're ready to close out, you've got everything you need. You will just press this little leave call and then you've left. Okay, you can always rejoin the call if you drop, or you can return to your home screen. But that is how you video conference with your teachers. Again, you can text your teacher's Compass Rose phone number to let them know that you want to meet. You can email them, or you can simply just join the chat and it will send them a notification. If you get in there and they haven't said anything, try to give them a call or text them just so that they're aware that you were trying to get to them. Let us know if you have any questions.